What were you cursing at him for? What were you cursing at him for? Your best friend tells me you were cursing at him from the phone. You were talking to him dumb, and then he confronts two tiny women in front of the house while him, and it wasn't three, it was like 5 or 6. I want to see what he was cursing at 5 or 6 of his friends for, you idiot. Wait, put your hand down. Put your hand down.
Did we get a chance?
If there were 5 or 6 of his friends met him, what were you cursing at them for?
Because they're losers. Because she's running for Spring Fling Queen.
Oh my god, I'm not mad at her. I'm worried about her. I think somebody nominated her as a joke or something. I mean, nobody votes for her. She's gonna have a total meltdown. And who's gonna have to take care of her? Me.
So you don't think anyone will vote for her?
Katie, she's not pretty. I mean, that sounds bad, but whatever. The Spring Fling Queen is always pretty. I mean, the crazy thing is that it should be Karen. Anyway, I gotta go. I'm going to bed.
Well, she's not mad at you.
Hold on.
Are you okay?
Shh.
Hello?
If someone said something bad about you, you'd want me to tell you, right?
No.
What if it was someone you thought was your friend?
What do you... Hold on, other line.
I'm not taking this anymore.
Good for you, Gretchen.
Hello? Let's go out.
Okay, hold on. I'm on the other line with Gretchen.
Don't invite Gretchen. She's driving me nuts.
Hold on.
Okay, hurry up.
It's Regina. She wants to hang out with me tonight, but she told me not to tell you.
Do not hang out with her.
Why?
Oh, you don't want me to tell you.
Oh, you can tell me. Hold on. Oh my god, she's so annoying.
I know, just get rid of her.
Okay, what is it?
Regina says everyone hates you because you're such a...
She said that?
You didn't hear it from me.
A little harsh, Gretch.
Whatever, she has a right to know.
I can't go out. I'm sick.